Welcome to today's tutorial. In our tutorial today, we are going to look at a question that is coming from the trial balance. And the question reads, from the list of balances below, you are required to prepare the trial balance and show the correct totals. Creditors, we have the 50,000. Then debtors, we have the 85,000. Then capital, we have got the 65,000. Then sales, we've got 70,000. Then opening stock, we have got 20,000. Purchases, we have got 80,000. Okay, but before we can look at that, I want to share briefly about what a trial balance is. So, a trial balance is a list of balances brought forward from the ledgers. Okay, so would say it is prepared to determine the arithmetic accuracy. So in doing so, we have to check whether the debit side of the trial balance is equal to the credit side, okay, of the trial balance. Okay, now how do we know what to debit and what to credit? So that is a short synonym we describe as the dead click. What does this dead click means? The D there means debit, the E is for expenses, the A is for assets, then the other D there is for drawings. So on the dead, we are told that we are debiting expenses, assets, and drawings. Then we have got a click here. This one is telling us that we are going to credit liabilities, then income, and the C here, it is for capital. Okay, so whenever you are coming up with a trial balance, the first thing that you're supposed to do is to come up with a title. So you write Banders a trial balance as at 31st December 2023. Okay, we're going to have the details. Then you're going to have your debit side, going to have your credit side. So take note, assets and expenses, these are debited. Then liabilities and incomes, these are credited. Then are things like purchases. Purchases is debited. Then we have got the returns outwards, the so-called purchases returns, these are credited. Then returns inwards, these ones are debited. Okay, provisions, all provisions are credited. It can be provisions for doubtful debts, provisions for depreciations, they are credited. Okay, we have got the carriage inwards, or the so-called carriage on purchase. These are debited. Okay, so in the end, when you add your debit side, it's supposed to be equal to the totals that are on the credit side. So in that vein, we would have said that our trial balance is balanced. Okay, so let's look at the question that we have now. So we need to come up with a trial balance. In this case, trial balance, okay, then the debit side, then the credit side, then the details. So creditors, these are liabilities, so we're going to credit them. 50,000 there. Then debtors, these are assets, so we're going to debit them, which is 85,000. Capital, we said capital, it's supposed to be credited, so we're going to credit the 65,000 there. Then sales, we are going to credit, that's an income, which is 70,000. Okay, opening our stock. Okay, we're going to debit this one, the 20,000. Then purchases, we're also going to debit the 80,000. Okay, so what do we do there? We find the totals on both the debit side and the credit side. So 85,000 plus 20,000 plus 80,000, that's going to give us 185,000 on the debit side. Credit side, 50,000 plus 65,000 plus 70,000. It's also going to give us 185,000. Okay, so like that we have balanced, and in this case our answer was C.